Good morning. My name is Teacher Cherry, and our subject for today is English. Okay, we have a new lesson on our subject English, but before we open our new lesson, let us review first our lesson last time on our English subject. What is our lesson last time? It is about the different parts of the house. Okay, we have 8 different parts of the house. What are those? Okay, the roof, the window, the door, the stairs, the ceiling, the floor, the wall, and the post. Okay, those are the different parts of the house. Okay, what is the muscle of our house? Can you answer? Yes, it is the post because it carry all the weights of the house. Okay, good job. Now, let us open our new lesson. And it is also about the house. Okay, let's start. You look at on the screen. Okay, rooms of the house. Okay, our family lives in a house. Our house has many rooms. Okay, that's why on our last lesson, I already asked you why we need a wall. Because the wall divides our house into different rooms. And now, we are going to tackle about the rooms inside our house. Okay, let's start. The first one is the living room. Okay, what is a living room? This is where we receive our visitors. This room is usually used for relaxing and socializing. Okay, what are the things that we can do on our living room? You look at on the screen. Okay, the first one is, ayan, we enjoy watching with our family on our television, on our living room. Next one. Okay, we receive our visitors. Okay, when we have a special occasion, we can receive them on our living room. And also, you can socialize with your visitors. You can talk to them and have chikahan. Okay, and marites. No po? Next one. Okay, and of course, we can make a family bonding on our living room. We can play with our family. We can read. We can talk about our day to our family. Okay, you can share your experience on your day to your family members, to your mommy and daddy, and also to your lolo and lola. Okay, next one. That is our living room. Next one, we have our bedroom. Okay, as you can see, there is a bed. This is where we rest and sleep. Okay, that is our bedroom. It is where we sleep and rest. Okay, next one. What are the things that we can do on our bedroom? Of course, we can sleep on our bedroom during nighttime. Next one. Okay, on our bedroom, we can also put our clothes on our bedroom dun sa closet natin, no? Next one. Okay, we can answer our activity or our assignment on our bedroom because we have our table and chair on our bedroom so that no one can disturb us. Okay, that's why we can do our assignment on our bedroom. Next one. Okay, online class. Okay, we can do our online class on our bedroom so that we cannot hear any noise, okay? So that you can focus on your teacher while you are having an online class. Okay, that is our bedroom. Next one. We have our dining room. As you can see, there is a tables and chairs and also food. This is where we eat together. Okay, on our dining room, we can eat together with our family. While eating, you don't do not use your gadget or cell phone. You need to enjoy eating with your family. Okay, what are the things that we can do on our dining room? Okay, of course, you eat together with your family, with your mommy, daddy, ate, and kuya. And also, you can eat with your lolo and lola or tito and tita. As you can see, they are not using their gadget. They are just focusing on their food, eating, and enjoying their meal. Okay, next one. Of course, that one. You can celebrate your birthday on your dining room because you eat together with your family and loved ones. Okay, next one. That is our dining room. Next one, we have our kitchen. Okay, kitchen. This is where we cook and prepare food for our family. Okay, can you cook? Can you cook on your own? No, okay. Mommy will cook food for you, but you can help mommy in preparing your food. Okay, what are the things that you can do or we can do on our kitchen? Okay, mommy can cook our delicious food on our kitchen. Next one, ate and kuya, brothers and sisters, can help mommy in washing the dishes on our kitchen. And of course, you can help mommy and daddy in preparing our food, our delicious food. You can help each other so that you can make a delicious food that is already or that is also a family bonding. You can cook together, you can prepare food together. Okay, next one. Our bathroom. That is our bathroom. As you can see, there is a shower and a toilet. This is where we take a bath and do our necessities. Okay. What are the things that we can do on our bathroom? You look at on the screen. Okay, of course, you can take a bath. You need to take a bath every day. Okay, next one. Brush your teeth. Okay, you can or we can brush our teeth on our bathroom. What else? Okay, wash your face. You can wash your face before going to bed and after you wake up in the morning. During morning, you need to clean your face and also brush your teeth. Next one. Okay, use the toilet to pee and to poop. Okay, you use our or you use your bathroom. Okay, those are the things that you can do on your bathroom. Take a bath, brush your teeth, wash your face, and use the toilet. Okay, those are the different rooms inside the house. Okay, what are the rooms inside your house? The first one is the living room where we receive our visitors. The next one is bedroom. The bedroom is where you sleep and rest. Next one, the dining room. The dining room is where we eat together with our family. Next one, the kitchen. Okay, the kitchen is where mommy cook our delicious food. And then last one is the bathroom. Bathroom is where we take a bath and do our necessities. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you learned for today's lesson. Bye, everyone. Keep safe. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.